You've probably experienced this yourself. You apply for a dozen plus jobs, keep sending out your job applications, and yet you either get outright rejected or you never hear back from the employers. We've all been there. But today, I'll share with you 5 reasons why your resume keeps getting rejected. And most importantly, I teach you how to fix these issues. So let's go.
Career advice by Novorésumé.
First up, is your resume a one-size-fits-all kind? If yes, then you have a problem. Whatever your profession might be, each job you apply for will be more or less unique. If you're a graphic designer, for example, one job might ask you for experience with creative infographics, while another might require banner ads. When applying for a given job, your resume should be accordingly tailored. Here's how you can do that. Start by closely studying the job description. Pick out the key skills and experiences they are looking for, then ensure they are prominently displayed on your resume. This can be in your skills section, work experience section, and resume summary. Reason number 2. You're not quantifying your results. Imagine you're an HR manager evaluating resumes of sales professionals. Most resumes will mention the same type of work experience. Things like conducted sales calls with the prospects, upsold additional products or services, cold calling prospects, and so on. This makes you yawn, it's like boring. Want your resume to stand out? Do this instead of just listing your responsibilities. Give your potential employer hard facts. Compare these 2 work experiences. Which of them do you think is more likely to land the candidate a job? Conducted sales calls versus conducted 200 plus sales calls per month, driving $20,000 plus in revenue. The second one, right? HR managers are very likely to agree with you. Remember, numbers talk. They give an employer a tangible idea of what you're capable of. Moving on to reason number 3. Your resume content isn't relevant. It's great that you're a pro at Photoshop, but those skills won't be very helpful for your new job as an accountant, for example. But here's what you can do. Highlight experiences and skills that make sense for the job you're applying for. If you're applying for a software development role, your experience as a coding intern is far more important than your stint as a barista. And next up, reason number 4. Your resume needs to be more professional or better crafted. Let's be real, first impression matters. If your resume is messy, not structured well, full of typos, too colorful or unprofessional, the HR manager is very likely to not take it seriously. Do you want to make sure your resume makes a great first impression? Well, use one of our free templates instead. They are well structured and easy to read and favored by recruiters and hiring managers from all over the world. I don't like to brag, but let's compare one of our templates to the conventional black and white resume. Hint, our wins. Lastly, reason number 5. You're just not applying to enough jobs. It can be disheartening to send out applications and not hear back, but sometimes it's just a numbers game. Think back, how many jobs did you apply to last week? If it's less than 10, you need to seriously up your game. Keep in mind that you're going to get rejected for a ton of reasons. A job you're a great fit for example, might reject you simply because you applied a bit too late and they already fill the position. Another company might reject you simply because the HR manager accidentally skipped over your resume. This might sound horrible, but that's the reality. HR managers are people working a job. They are as likely to make a mistake as anyone else. So, do this. Set a daily number of jobs you want to apply for, say 3 or 4, then every single day, dedicate time browsing job boards and applying for jobs. At the end of each week, do a bit of recap to see if you met your weekly target, and you'll find your next job in no time. If this video was helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be battling resume rejection blues. And hey, if you faced a different issue or found another solution, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Let's keep learning and growing together. Thanks for watching. I've been Andre. Bye bye.
Career advice by Novorésumé.